Hello and welcome everyone. I just wanted to put together this screencast-o-matic presentation to help you with identifying how to actually successfully complete the iSide with Political Analysis survey. So if you listen and watch this presentation closely, I'm going to walk you through those steps of how to do that and earn full credit on that lesson. I'm referencing, of course, Unit 3, Lesson 7, Voter Behavior Analyzed. So you're going to go to the Classwork tab, open up the lesson, of course, as you're used to. And what you're going to want to do, please make sure that above all, in order for you to save your results, you have to create a login. And I think I mentioned that in the directions as well. So you're going to do that here. Please be advised that my results here were filled out in class quickly, and I did not answer the questions based off of my ideologies. However, I wanted to prove to you guys that this is able to be finished in a timely fashion. So that's what I did. Now, in order for you guys to get your results after you first create your account, you're going to go to quiz and then, of course, take the quiz here. Remember that you were to answer the questions here based off of your ideologies and opinions, okay? So look at the question and then answer based off of what you believe, and then click the bubble for how important or not important this issue is to you. And please just continue through the rest of the survey accordingly from top to bottom. And when you're finished, you should be able to get to the results at hand. Now, please keep in mind here that although you might be able to complete this quite easily, the fact is that the whole purpose of the survey, if you will, is to get you guys thinking about your results. So once you're finished, you're going to hit show my results, and you will actually be able to get to this screen. So what you're going to want to do is then I believe you're going to click on the button that says my ballot. And so for the Google Doc assignment, what you are going to do based off of your survey results is you're going to click on two people. The first person you're going to click on is the person that the survey says you agree with most. So you can open that up in a new tab, and then you're going to click on the person that it says here that you disagree with most by this survey. So I'm going to open up this in a new tab, and then going back to the Google Doc here, just so you guys can see this here, you're going to essentially look at your results for both of these people, the person that you most agree with and the person that you most disagree with, and then write down these things. So for the person that you most agree with, you're going to put down the three things that you agree with that are important to you, and then the things that you disagree with that person. So for example, by this hypothetical scenario, it says that I side 84% with Mike Pence. So what is your stance on abortion? This is an issue that Mike Pence and I apparently share the same position on. So I would add that to the part right here. And that's one of the areas where we agree on. If I scroll down on this answers tab, there's other areas apparently where Pence and I agree on. Should universities provide trigger warnings and safe spaces for students? We both said no. So once again, I would add that here to the doc. Because this is another area where we agree. Now, in case you're wondering, what are areas that we disagree on and where can you find them? You just simply have to scroll down here and find areas, and yes, there will be areas where you disagree. Should there be a temporary ban on all immigration in the United States? I said yes, Pence says no, so that will be an area where we would disagree on. So I would put that down here. And once again, you're just going to do that until all these spaces are filled up here. And then you're going to transition to the person that you least side with. So in this case, I least side with Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. And so I'm going to put down areas where AOC and I agree, which might be few. However, there are areas that you will find on here, both for me and also for yourself. And you're going to put them on the Google Doc in that section, and then areas where you disagree, which will be pretty more transparent down there in that section. Remember, when you guys are fully finished with that, you're going to submit this on Google Classroom. Please message me directly if you have any specific questions about how to complete the iSide with survey. I do look forward to reading your answers and opinions about which candidates are most suitable for you to vote for in 2024. Thank you very much for tuning in, and once again, I hope you found this to be a helpful little presentation. Good luck with the rest of the lesson.